Well, hey, hi there, it's me Rog, aka the Gourmet Grandad, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cook the most delicious, nutritious vegan soup. It's chickpea and tomato, it's delicious. So here we have all of our ingredients. We're going to need a whole tin of chickpeas, some tomatoes. These I grew in my greenhouse last year and they've been in the freezer and I thought it was time to use them up. I've got one whole onion, 2 small carrots. You can obviously use 1 large carrot if you want. I'm going to use 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, the juice from 1 lemon. I've got some coconut oil here for cooking in, salt and pepper for seasoning, some coconut milk, some tomato juice and some beautiful basil. And lastly, about half a pint of good quality vegetable stock. So, without further ado, let's start cooking. So onto the hob with a heavy based pan. Then in we go with some coconut oil. Followed by our onions. Now we want to saute these down a bit until they go nice and soft. Then in with the carrots. Followed by the garlic cloves that have been crushed. As you can see, we pop those in. Give that a gentle stir. In we go with our stock. In we go with our tomato juice. Followed by our frozen tomatoes from last year. ,100 millilitres of coconut milk. Then our lemon juice. Or should I say, then our lemon juice from 1 whole lemon. In that goes. Then we're going to need some pepper and salt. This lovely fresh cracked black pepper. Then our basil leaves, we can just coarsely chop these in. Bring this to a simmer and we'll let that cook down for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now the soup's finally done and we can add our chickpeas. So let's give it a try, shall we? Yes, that sure is a beautiful soup. It is amazing. You must try this for yourself. A vegan flavoursome soup. Chickpeas and tomatoes, basil. Yeah, that's got to be good, hasn't it? So thanks for watching this video. Thank you to all my subscribers and everybody who views. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please do. And I shall see you all again in the next video. Bye for now, guys.